Are you wondering how to discover question-based keywords people are searching for? In this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to find them without wasting time. By the end, you'll have the tools you need to uncover the exact questions your audience is asking and boost your content strategy. Stick around till the end, as I'll give you access to an exclusive free trial for a keyword tool I highly recommend. First off, let's dive into why question-based keywords matter. These keywords are not just any terms. They're the exact phrases people are typing into search engines when they have a specific problem or need an answer. Targeting these keywords can make your content more discoverable and directly solve your audience's queries, driving more traffic to your site. To start discovering question-based keywords, the easiest method is to use Google's autocomplete feature. Open Google and begin typing a broad keyword related to your niche. As you type, Google will suggest questions people are already asking. Take note of the suggestions that are question-based. These are golden for content creation. But don't stop there. Google's People Also Ask section is another powerful tool. After you search for a term, scroll down and you'll see a box with a list of related questions. These questions are directly related to what people are searching for, so they give you insights into common queries that might not immediately come up in autocomplete. Open up these questions, check out the answers, and find out what gaps you can fill with your own content. Next, let's use Answer the Public. This is one of the best tools out there for uncovering question-based keywords. Simply enter a broad keyword, and it generates a huge list of questions people are asking, including variations on your keyword. It's a great way to find niche-specific questions that are highly relevant. The best part? I've included an exclusive free trial link in the description for you to try Answer the Public yourself. It's free for my viewers. Make sure you grab that link. If you want even more options, don't forget about Quora. By searching relevant topics or keywords on Quora, you'll discover real user questions and discussions. This can give you a deeper understanding of what your target audience is struggling with or curious about. It's a goldmine for finding content ideas and questions that are highly likely to drive traffic. A good old-fashioned forum search can also provide tons of insights. Check out Reddit, niche-specific forums, or Facebook groups. You'll find questions from real people in your niche, giving you an authentic glimpse into their minds. These platforms are great for discovering trends and finding questions that might not show up in traditional search tools. Now that you have a variety of tools at your disposal, how can you actually use this info? Start by creating content around these questions. Build blog posts, videos, and other resources that answer these questions directly. This will not only provide value to your audience, but it'll also improve your SEO by using the exact terms people are searching for. Key takeaway. The key to finding question-based keywords people are searching for is to use tools like Google Autocomplete, the People Also Ask section, Answer the Public, Quora, and forums. These will give you real-time insights into what your audience is asking and help you create content that directly addresses their needs. To recap, 1. Use Google's Autocomplete and People Also Ask section for fast results. 2. Explore Answer the Public for in-depth question-based insights. 3. Check out Quora and niche forums for even more real user questions. And don't forget to take advantage of the exclusive free trial for Answer the Public in the description below to follow along. Thanks for watching. Make sure to grab that free trial and start discovering question-based keywords today.